Samsung has confirmed a slimmer variant of the Galaxy S25, set to debut as the Galaxy S25 Edge. During Unpacked 2025, the company showcased the prototype, but recent updates have raised concerns about its battery and charging capabilities. According to @YabishekD, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to feature a 3900 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging. This information reportedly comes from the C certification website, lending credibility to the claim. Speculation about the battery capacity has circulated widely, and this latest report aligns with earlier rumors. If accurate, the Galaxy S25 Edge would lag behind the standard Galaxy S25, which offers a slightly larger 4000 mAh battery. The S25 Edge is also rumored to include the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, an overclocked version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This chipset is expected to deliver significant improvements over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy used in the S24 Ultra. Samsung has unveiled the Galaxy S25 Edge, an ultra-thin phone previously rumored as the S25 Slim. Measuring just 6.4mm thick, it's significantly slimmer than the S25 Ultra's 8.2mm profile. The phone features a sleek design but has a noticeable camera bump. It's rumored to include two rear cameras, a 200-megapixel main, and an ultra-wide lens, while skipping the telephoto zoom found on other S25 models. The 6.7-inch display may debut Samsung's tandem OLED technology, contributing to its slim design. Pricing is expected to fall between $999 and $1,299, likely under $1,200. Stay tuned for more updates. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Slim could measure between 6mm and 7mm in thickness, making it the thinnest Samsung flagship to date. This would surpass even the Galaxy S25 set to launch next month in terms of sleekness. For comparison, the Galaxy S25 is rumored to have a 7.2mm thickness, slightly slimmer than the 7.6mm of the Galaxy S24. The fourth edition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, was recently teased in a leaked promotional material. The Galaxy S25 Slim has been the subject of a few rumors suggesting it may launch later in the year compared to the other three S25 devices. A recent report, supported by details from Samsung's latest One UI 7 beta, reinforces this speculation. The beta includes a list of US carrier-specific Samsung phone models, but notably, the Galaxy S25 Slim's model number is absent. Earlier reports hinted at a Q2 release window, April to June, for the S25 Slim, aligning with the information uncovered in the One UI 7 beta. Rumored specifications for the Galaxy S25 Slim include a 6.66-inch display, a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera offering 3.5x optical zoom. It is also expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and a battery capacity ranging from 4,700 mAh to 5,000 mAh. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.